And finally, we'll talk a bit about where this whole technology is headed so that you can take advantage of it as well. So how do we create a character cameo? So first you need to go to Sora.com, which at the time of this recording is available in these countries. So up until they roll out to your region, you might need to use a VPN to access this website. But in the app, if you head to your profile, there is now an option here to create your character. And all you need to do is upload one video of the character that you want to create a cameo for. So for this test, we're creating a character cameo of this cat. And it seems like you only need something like 3 seconds of footage in order to make this work. And once you upload that, you can give it a username and a display name, and also a description of your character, as well as a few restrictions if you want on what's not allowed for this specific character. And finally, you can set the access level if you want only yourself to be able to create with this character, or if you want everyone to have access. So when that's done, you can now view your characters that you create by clicking on this part in your profile. And here you now have that character, which whenever I create a video in Sora, you can now tag that character and create videos for them the same way you would for other cameos. However, if you try to upload an image of a person that way, it will result to an error, and rightly so, because you yourself wouldn't want your image to be uploaded here without your consent, right? So a technique to get cameos for photorealistic people is to first generate them with a Sora app with a prompt like this, where we just describe the character, their voice, which is important because the cameos feature also captures that, a description of their face and clothes if you want to define that as well. And for the scenes, since you want a realistic person, you can just ask for UGC or user-generated content style videos.